Hi, lovely people, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to make ice cream using mangoes. So, these are the mangoes I'm going to be using to make the ice cream. So, I'll go ahead and cut the mango, then I'll remove only the fleshy part, that's the fruit, and then leave the peels and then the mango seed. Those ones we will not be needing them, so take out the mango fruits and then I'll put it inside the freezer overnight. Then the next day we'll make the ice cream. So this is what we need to make our ice cream. I'll go ahead and put this in the freezer till the next day and then we'll continue. So I'll see you tomorrow. It's the next day and here I have my frozen mangoes, some condensed milk. I'll also be making use of this soya milk to aid the blending of the mango. You can use any type of milk you want. And then lastly, I'll be making use of the powdered milk. We shall be having our ice cream in these cups and then also use this stick to insert into it. So these are the things that I need. I've transferred the mango into the blender. I'll go ahead and add the soy milk to it so that the blending process can be easy. Into this bowl, I'll pour the powdered milk and add the condensed milk to it. Then I'll mix it together to form a paste. Then after that, I'll add it to the mango in the blender and blend. So this is how our powdered milk and condensed milk paste looks like. I'll now transfer it into the blender. Wow, see what we have here. We really had a lot of juice. One last thing I would love to add is vanilla essence. Please go ahead and add it. You really love the flavor it will give to the ice cream. Then afterwards we'll transfer it into our ice cream cups. Yes. Unfortunately, I lost the clip where I was transferring the juice into the cups. So I'll show you our ice cream. I've already put them into the cups and I kept them in the freezer and it is frozen. So this is our ice cream after I've put them in the freezer. Sorry I wasn't able to show you where I was pouring them into the cups. So this is how our ice cream looks like. It looks so appetizing and we can't wait to have a taste of this.